Take off your hand. Take off your hand. Take it off. Take off your hand. I want to shot one photo. Let me see. Let me see your eyes. Please. My stomach is what? Take off your hand. Take off your hand. My stomach is what? Going big. Eh?
That you think that I say that something is good.
Take your hand. Take your hand. I feel what? I lose my stomach. My one is better than your one.
No. My one is better.
Awful. I'm gonna clean down.
Oh, medium.
I'll clean downstairs now, guys.
Sai, you can smile now. Smile. Smile. If you don't have a smile properly, you lose all of your lipstick for me, yeah? And try to smile. Smile.
Did you have a lipstick? Did you have a lipstick?
Yeah.
Oh.
I will have a
No, first time I know you have a lipstick. When it's nearly December, then you know you have a lipstick. When the middle of the week, of the year, never think about the lipstick.